वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. Today's Hukamnama from Sachkhand, Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar, is not just a divine message, it's a guidebook on how to live with peace, depth and awareness. Let's walk through it slowly like a conversation with our soul. Hukamnama Sahib by Shri Guru Amar Das Ji at Ang 647 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Slok Mahalla Tija. पर थाए साखी महापुरख बोल दे सांची सगल जहाने, which means great men speak the teachings by relating them to individual situations, but the whole world shares in them. Have you noticed when someone shares their real struggles, their own stories, it hits you deeply, whether it's a saint, a coach, a mentor or a speaker. When they speak from the heart, you feel this is my story too. For example, a coach says, my anger used to drain me until I changed my thoughts. This one honest sentence changes people. Why? Because truth shared with purity becomes universal. When we share our reality, not our judgment, we'll uplift others. So from today, don't give lectures. Share your experiences, your own story. Guruji further says, Gurmukh hoye so pau kare apna aap pachane, which means one who becomes Gurmukh knows the fear of God and realizes his own self. To be Gurmukh means guided by inner wisdom, not by outer noise. Most people live as second-hand lives, borrowed thoughts, borrowed beliefs. But the moment you turn inward and begin asking, who am I really? You move from confusion to clarity. When you stop reacting and start reflecting, why did I get triggered? Or why do I always need an approval? You have taken the first step towards being Gurmukh. So you are no longer the victim of circumstances. Now Guruji says, Gur Prasadi Jivat Mare Ta Man Hi Te Man Mane, which means if by Guru's grace one remains dead while yet alive, the mind becomes content in itself. So what is dying while living? It's not physical death, it's the death of ego, death of constant me, mine, why me. We don't need to leave the world. We just need to drop the labels, the attachments, the expectations. So this is freedom from psychological suffering. Your story may not change, but your identity with that story drops. That's Jivat Marana. This is like completing the past. Once it's complete, your mind finally becomes quiet. Have you ever forgiven someone and felt so light after? That's ego dying and soul shining. Now the next verse is, जिनको मन की प्रतीत नाही नानक से क्या कथे ज्ञाने, which means those who have no faith in their own minds. O Nanak, how can they speak of spiritual wisdom? If you don't have faith that your inner voice can guide you, how will you ever walk your own path? See, we all have answers, but we keep on looking outside. Gyan doesn't come from books. It comes from awareness. You are your word. When you trust your own word, your own insight, you create power in your life. A student once asked, I want peace. I said, what's stopping you? She said, I don't trust my decisions. Until she chose to stand by herself, no technique worked. But when she trusted herself, everything shifted. So today, remember, share your own thoughts. That's your Sakhi, your own divine gift. Align with your inner self and then you become Gurmukh. Drop the ego, die while living and watch how calms enter your lives. Trust your own compass. It's the only GPS that truly works. See, Guru Amar Das Ji's words are simple, but they need to be lived, they need to be implemented, not just heard. So let's all move from being borrowed minds to being living wisdom. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Tan Shri Guru Amar Das Ji, Sarbat Da Pala, Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.